What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be upgrading my setup. I currently have a PC computer that I built for gaming, and I recently just acquired a MacBook Pro that I'm going to be using specifically for video editing, graphic design, and also working on my business. The only thing though is that it only comes with USB-C ports, and I have two monitors that I want to hook it up to. I had a device that I hooked up to it at first, and it gave me only one HDMI output. I got a brand new one that has two HDMI outputs, and we're going to be unboxing that today and testing it out, see how it works with my current setup. So here we go. So this is currently the PC that I have, and it's good for my gaming needs, and it's been doing a pretty good job. But I recently just acquired this guy here, and I wanted to set up with my two monitors here. And originally, I had got this, which works great. And had no issues using it, but it only has one HDMI output. So if you're looking for a one HDMI output with an Ethernet adapter, this guy right here will do the work. Will do the job just fine. But since I want to use this workhorse here on two monitors, then that means I'm going to have to use something a little bit more powerful. This is where the TobenOne USB-C docking station comes in. Comes in this nice little box, and it is a little bit more on the expensive side, but everything with Apple is expensive. So I wasn't too shocked at the price, but the price you pay for this is actually a lot cheaper than I thought you would have to pay for something of this quality. So let's open it up together. Feels like I'm unboxing an iPhone. I'm only doing this with one hand, so it doesn't help. But that box feel right there, something out of Apple quality for sure. You get a nice little welcome. Thank you. You're welcome. All right. And here is the main piece right here. Here it is. It has a very good quality feel. I think it's made out of aluminum, but it definitely feels very high quality. We got the two USBs in the front, headphone jack, and a USB-C. And in the back, we have where everything comes in. So regular USB, USB 3.0, HDMI 1 and 2, and plenty of USB-Cs. And the bottom here is for power. And most importantly, the Ethernet cable, Ethernet port for the Ethernet cable. So very good, very quality, very high quality feel. We're going to plug it in and see how it works. And inside this box here came the cables, and the cable also feels very high quality. This feels just like this, which feels very similar to this right here. It looks and feels durable and strong, and it matches the MacBook feel that you get from it. Because if you got anything from Apple, you're expecting quality, and you're not skimping out on quality with this guy, which is very important to me. So with this next to each other, I now have the flexibility of plugging this guy in here, and it's plugged in. I heard a little bit of a snap, which is a good sign. It's kind of what I want to hear. And on the other side, we're going to be plugging it in here. Boom. And then we just need a little bit of a power. All right, so with that plugged in, and that over there plugged in, now let's see if we can get the monitors to work. All right, so I got them both connected to the monitors here. I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the MacBook and see what happens. And after it's been powered on, we have both of the screens working. Here we go. And now I just need to connect my wireless keyboard and mouse, and I'm set to go. If you've seen anything today that intrigued you, if you've seen anything of my setup that you want me to go over, if you have any feedback or any questions, leave them in the comments below. I will get to every single one of y'all and respond to it as needed. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time.